when the altar of the Lord was broken, there was no rain in the land. 3.5 years, there was no rain. No dew, no mist, nothing. But one man, Elijah, was ready to stand in the gap. On the mount, the Bible says, on the Mount Carmel, the Bible says he went to the Mount Carmel and he rebuilt the altar of the Lord that was broken down. It began to rain heavily. So that means there is a relation between rain and altar. What is rain? Rain is revival. What is rain? Rain is blessing. What is rain? Rain is abundance. Rain is the goodness of God. When the altar is ready, rain will be there. See, rain and altar is interconnected. 3.5 years, there was no rain in the land. One man, Elijah, he stood in the gap. He built the altar again. The rain was rushing down. This morning God says, can you be the Elijah of your family?